second accused person.
Mr. Abdullah.
Yes, sir.
Sir, in the matter miscarriage, they do appear for the first accused person.
Please, Your Honor. I'm Haraka here for the second accused person.
No, I'm Veronica NJENGA.
He says she's Veronica NJENGA.
The child should treat Veronica NJENGA. Treat Veronica NJENGA.
Are you Veronica NJENGA?
Yes, I'm Veronica NJENGA.
Let's stand up and ABDULLAHI SHEIKH. You can stand, right? Veronica, which language do you understand? Or English and Swahili? ABDULLAHI SHEIKh. Then I will read the first charge. Then at the end of it, I will ask you whether you agree as true or false. And the first charge is the charge of facing both of you, Veronica NJENGA and ABDULLAHI SHEIKH ABDI. And it is a charge of abuse of office contrary to Section 46 as read with Section 48 of the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crime Act number 3 of 2003. And the particulars of the offense are that
Just a minute.
I will come back again. The first charge is facing one person who is Veronica NJENGA, and it is a charge of abuse of office contrary to Section 46 as read with Section 48 of the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crime Act number 3 of 2003. And the particulars of the offense are that Veronica NJENGA on the 7th day of October 2022 at Huduma Center, City Square, National Registration Bureau Desk in Nairobi County, within the Republic of Kenya, being a public officer employed as a senior clerical officer, you used your office to improperly confer a penalty to ABDULLAHI ABDI SHEIKH, to wit, you altered the year of birth in his national identity card number 34301534 from 1997 to 1987. Veronica NJENGA, have you understood?
Yes, I have understood.
Is it true or false?
It is not true and I'm not guilty.
Count number 2. D2 of the Registration of Persons Act. The particulars of the offense are that Veronica NJENGA on the 7th day of October 2022 at the Huduma Center, City Square, Nairobi, City Square National Registration Bureau Desk in Nairobi County within the Republic of Kenya, being a public officer employed as a senior clerical officer, you unlawfully altered the year of birth in the national identity card number 34301534 belonging to ABDULLAHI ABDI SHEIKH from 1997 to 1987. Have you understood?
Yes.
Is it true or false?
It is not true and I'm not guilty.
Count number 3 is facing. And it's a charge of being in possession of an identity card containing an alteration contrary to Section 14(1) H2 of the Registration of Persons Act. And the particulars of the offense are that ABDULLAHI ABDI SHEIKH on diverse dates from 7th day of October 2022 within the Republic of Kenya, you knowingly were in possession of national identity card number 3430 1534 in the name of Abdullahi Abdi Sheikh, containing a false year of birth being 4th April 1987. Have you understood?
Yes.
Is it true or false?
False statement.
Count number 4 is
Just a moment.
for Abdullahi Abdi Sheikh, and it is a charge of giving false information for purpose of registration contrary to section 22 of Births and Deaths Registration Act. And the particulars of the offence are that Abdullahi Abdi Sheikh, on the 13th day of October 2022, you knowingly applied and obtained registration of birth entry number L040013444/22, yet you had earlier been registered and issued with birth certificate number 4353/97 on 25th July 1997. Abdullahi Abdi Sheikh, have you understood?
Yes.
Is it true or false? Pardon?
False.
You can see the ones.
Being admitted to bail and bond. Say, Your Honor, that the bond terms be commensurate to the charges they are facing. Further, Your Honor, will be praying that the accused persons deposit their... Sorry, Your Honor. Sorry, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor, we'll be praying that the accused person deposit their travel documents, their passports. Your Honor, as regards to pre-trial, we will supply the documentary exhibits and the witness statements to the defense within 2 weeks. And subject to your directions, we can take a mention date within that time to confirm that. Your Honor, that will be all.
We shall be praying and tell that the prosecution are not in a position of them being granted bail. We'll be praying for leniency. Your Honor, the first accused person is a public officer who has worked in the ministry for the past 29 years. Your Honor, no case of abuse of office or alteration of any document that had been against her. For those reasons, Your Honor, we pray that as you have been requested to allow her bail, to be lenient on that particular issue. Number 2, Your Honor, she is a mother. Actually, today in the morning she was going to work and was requested to report at the EACC. And she honored that request. So, we praying that she is granted a bail that she can afford to day-to-day go home, see her kids. And number 3, and the final one is that we'll be praying that prosecution is given 1 week to supply us with the documents. I believe that once someone is charged, investigations ought to have been concluded, and they ought to have the house in order. But I think that 2 weeks, 14 days is a lot. They'll be given 1 week to supply us with the documents. That's all.
He has a fixed award. You know, the accusations leveled against the second accused is non-violent in nature, and therefore it does not pose any threat to public safety. We humbly pray for leniency to allow the second accused to beat the bail and bond terms that will be imposed on him. It is within the discretion of the court, and it is our humble prayer that the court exercises leniency in issuing the same. The second accused undertakes and is willing to abide by any set of conditions that will be set by this honorable court. That is our humble prayer. He's a chief in Wajir. He's a public officer.
Similar to the first accused submissions, we are requesting that if the same can be supplied in 1 week, it will be commensurate for us. We actually informed that we'll get them within these proceedings. So we are praying for 1 week, then we are given commensurate time also to respond to those documents. Sufficient time.
I will release the accused persons on the following terms: a cash bail of 300,000 each, in the alternative a bond of 1,500,000 with 2 sureties of a similar amount. The accused persons shall provide 3 contact persons. The accused shall deposit their passports in courts. In the event that the accused do not have passports, they shall file affidavits to confirm this, and the investigating officer shall confirm from the immigration system that the accused do not have passports. The prosecution shall supply the defense with documentary exhibits and witness statements within 2 weeks of today. That is 14 days. Can we agree on the date of the trial? No, the court handling this matter will not be available.
Okay.
So probably take a date, the date of the case.
Can take you on of either the 15th or the 16th of April. Yeah.
At 8:30 a.m.
16th is convenient.
8:30, please note. 8:30 in open court. 16 gets it done. The trial directions for the 16th April 2025 at 8:30 a.m. in court 2.
Much obliged, you know.
Most of that.
Okay, have a good afternoon.
Yeah, sorry.
afanye kesi nyingine.